Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to do this after we figured it out, but they're doing it with the contour tool. So they took a 20-inch square. Well, let's just make it a square. They took a 20-inch square and they made 1-inch radiuses. And then they want them, well, really only need 19 because we've already got one. They want 20 of them to the inside with rounded corners. But watch what happens. After the second one, Corel doesn't round the corners off. And, then you got to go to Object, break the contour apart, and you can count that we have to ungroup them. And then you count them. And there's 20 objects as we started with 1 and made 19. But they're not rounded. Now, you can, if you take a little square, well, we have to make it let's just make a little square. And if you round off the corners just a little bit, I'm going to have to zoom in. See, I'm rounding off the corners just a little bit. Let's go to 10. And then you go to contour to the outside. It doesn't work either because it continues that shape. So the only way I know how to do it, let's actually work in the center of the page. Well, that was my example. Let's zoom in here. Hold down the control button, make a perfect square, make it 20 inches. Hit P, put it in the center of the page, which really doesn't matter. We're going to put a 1-inch radius on it. And don't contour. Go Ctrl D and make a duplicate and make it 19 inches. And then Ctrl D all the way around. That will continue. Now the curvature is going to get smaller and smaller just because we're getting smaller and smaller in our shape. But it's going to give you that same effect. You're going to get that curvature all the way through. Anyway, I hope that helped him and you someday, and thank you for watching.